You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. In today's episode, we're telling the story of a move that had no margin for error. This is the story of how SDC helped a U.S. government agency relocate key personnel and sensitive household goods from Washington, D.C. to Europe. It began with a phone call on a Thursday afternoon. A relocation coordinator from a federal department reached out with a message. We're moving 3 officials overseas. High security clearance, sensitive shipments, non-negotiable timelines. Can you handle it? At SDC, we've handled thousands of moves across continents, but government relocations are different. They require a level of coordination, discretion, and accountability that goes beyond typical logistics. The goal was simple: move everything safely, transparently, and on time. And the challenge? The officials were moving in just 21 days. The first step wasn't packing, it was planning. SDC began with a comprehensive needs assessment, mapping out the scope of the move and identifying every point of potential risk. Sensitive materials required special crating. Secure communication devices needed documentation for customs, and diplomatic privileges had to be verified in both the origin and destination countries. Every piece of the move was reviewed for compliance and clearance. Nothing was left to chance. Working closely with the agency's logistic officer, SDC's team created a minute-by-minute relocation schedule covering pre-departure housing assistance, vehicle transport, and destination coordination with the embassy. Because of security restrictions, only authorized personnel could handle packing and labeling. Every crate was sealed, documented, and tracked using SDC's encrypted milestone system, which allowed us to give updates to the government client in real time. Packing began just 5 days later. SDC's white glove moving crew, trained in secure handling, arrived with sealed containers, specialized materials, and clear instructions. Each household item was packed, inventory, and loaded for air and sea transport, with SDC's dual shipment method ensuring redundancy. If one mode experienced a delay, the other would still meet the arrival deadlines. Meanwhile, our destination team in Europe prepared the receiving warehouse, coordinated custom clearance through diplomatic channels, and synchronized the delivery to the embassy's secured compound. Every milestone was checked, every detail confirmed, and just 18 days later, 3 days ahead of schedule, each family shipment arrived intact, cleared, and ready for delivery. For the government client, it wasn't just a successful move, it was proof SDC can handle complexity with composure. In government and embassy relocation, success isn't about speed, it's about trust. At SDC, we build the trust through discipline, transparency, and a commitment to excellence in every move we manage. If your organization is responsible for government or embassy assignments, visit our website or call 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.